everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 969 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this REALHER Confidence in My Glow highlighter. And this is a product I got in my September 2020 Ipsy glam bag. I'll have my unbagging of that linked in the description down below if you want to see it. I really like the brand REALHER. I get a lot of products from the brand REALHER and Ipsy. And it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, talc-free, and gluten-free. This is such a difficult box to open. Why is this so hard for me? The packaging on the product is also pretty. It has this white marble look to it. Oh, and it even has a mirror. Love that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch first. Ooh, nice buttery texture. Oh, so pretty. It has shimmer to it and glow, which I think this would be a really pretty eyeshadow as well because of that shimmer. And it's a beautiful peachy champagne shade. Okay, I'm so excited to see how this looks on my face. I'm actually gonna use this little fan brush. This is from one of my favorite brush companies, Had Hanel, that you can get on Amazon. So I'm gonna take their little fan brush and pick up some of the product and see how it does on my cheeks. Oh my gosh. It's like dusting shimmery fairy dust on my cheeks. Oh, it's so pretty and sparkly. Ooh, look at that glow that just gave my cheek. Ooh, that's beautiful. Like you can already see such radiance to my skin with it just applied right there. I really like this fan brush with it, but when it comes to highlighters, I usually just use my fingers. So I want to go ahead and pick up a little bit more on my finger and see if I can make it, oh yeah, it can be more blinding. It's a beautiful textured powder highlighter. So you can see the sparkle. Oh my gosh, that is so glowy. You can see the sparkle on my cheeks, but you can't see the texture of the powder because it's a very buttery powder. But this is definitely a glittery, shimmery highlighter. It's not just going to be a natural glow. It's kind of like a fairy dust shimmer, obviously glittery streak on my cheeks. And I love a glittery highlighter, but it's not really my... Here's Dexter again, making an appearance. But it's not really a daily type highlighter for me. But I do love a daily, shimmery, glittery eyeshadow. So I'm also gonna go ahead and just kind of pick some up on my finger and apply it to the eyelid. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. That shows up really nicely on the eyelid because it's got shimmer and it's got good pigment as well, but that reflection, it just really catches the light. Ooh, I even love it for an all over the lid look, going from the lash line up all the way to the brow bone. That's a really pretty little easy eye shimmer. Yeah, this is the type of shade that I'm gonna wanna apply everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my other cheek to get some more shimmer and glow in my complexion. Oh, this product makes me happy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. My skin is shining like a light bulb. Ooh, so impressive, so blinding. The other place that I think that I would really like this is the brow bone. Oh, yes. Since it's so reflective, like it really catches the light, it's a great brow highlight. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm just gonna go seriously and apply this all over. I'm also gonna try it on the inner corners. Let's see if it works there. Oh my gosh, yes. That is so brightening to the inner corners of my eyes. I seriously feel like everywhere I apply it, it's like a little spotlight on the skin. Oh, this redness on my neck. That's cute from Dexter climbing up on me. Story of my life now. But at least I have this glowing, shimmering skin to distract from the paw marks on my neck now. So wow, I love this. I especially love it on the eyelid. I realized I didn't even put on my other eyelid, but that's totally fine. It's such a beautiful, brightening glitter. I love it as a highlighter, but it definitely doesn't look very natural. Like up close, you can see a streak of glitter, which sometimes I'm totally fine having a streak of glitter, but I love it for where I like to brighten, like the brow highlight, the inner corners, the eyelids. It's a perfect daily throw on eye shimmer. So I love this. I love the formula. I love the color. And if you've tried this, always be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.